Your brain has been compromised, not by a virus, not by a disease, by algorithms, designed to keep you scrolling, clicking, and consuming until your brain rewires itself into addiction. Right now, your decision-making center is being overridden by your reward system. You've lost control. But here's what no one tells you. You can get it back in exactly 72 hours. This is not a detox. This is not a trend. This is an emergency reboot protocol, and if you don't follow it properly, you won't make it past hour 12. First, we assess the damage. Can you sit for 10 minutes without checking your phone? Do you scroll right before sleeping and right after waking up? Does reading even one page feel difficult? Do you reach for your phone without thinking? If you said yes to even 2 of these, you're not in control anymore. Your dopamine system is dysregulated. Your attention is fragmented. Nothing feels satisfying anymore. But your brain is not broken. It's been programmed, and anything that's programmed can be reprogrammed. You have a 72-hour window. Miss it, and everything resets back. Phase 1 is simple: total shutdown. For the next 24 hours, you remove every dopamine source. No social media, no YouTube, no Netflix, no games, no music with lyrics, no scrolling, no junk food. Your phone goes into another room, completely out of reach. And here's the rule most people break. You are not allowed to be productive. No work, no studying, no, I'll just do something useful. Your only job is to sit with the discomfort. Walk, sit, drink water, write on paper. That's it. Around hour 4, your brain will panic. It will try to trick you. This is pointless. I need to check something. What if something important happens? That's not real. That's withdrawal. Hour 12 is the hardest. You'll feel restless, anxious, irritated. This is your dopamine hitting its lowest point. Survival move, cold shower, 3 minutes, no distractions. By hour 24, the panic fades. Not into peace, into emptiness. That emptiness is your brain resetting. This is where most people quit. Phase 2 is not about doing less. It's about doing nothing. For 1 hour, you sit in silence. No phone, no music, no book. Just you and your thoughts. At first, your brain will fight. It will try to escape. But don't move, because this is the key. Your brain has been trained to fear boredom. Now, you're teaching it. Boredom is safe. Around minute 40, something shifts. Your mind becomes quiet. Not happy, not excited. Just still. That stillness is your brain healing. This is where creativity returns. Focus returns. Clarity returns. Around hour 36, you'll start noticing something. Thoughts you've been avoiding start coming up. Write them down. Don't judge them, just observe. By hour 48, your brain starts responding again. Simple things feel good. Walking feels good. Food tastes better. Silence feels lighter. That's your natural state returning. Now your brain is ready, but this is the dangerous part. If you go back to scrolling now, you lose everything. So here's the rule. Only effort-based dopamine. You earn your reward. Allowed actions. Exercise, real effort. Deep work, 1 task, full focus. Reading, physical books only. Creating, writing, building, thinking. Cooking, real food, no passive consumption. And remember this moment. Around hour 56, you'll feel strong enough to think, 1 scroll won't hurt. It will. You're at 93%. That 1 scroll drops you to 40%. Everything collapses. The final 16 hours are about protecting your progress. By hour 72, something changes. You can focus again. You can sit and stay present. You can read without distraction. This is your normal brain. This is not a one-time reset. This is a system upgrade. Follow this daily, 3 hours before sleep, no short-form content. 2 minutes daily, sit in silence. 1 hour daily, deep, focused content. And every 6 months, repeat the 72-hour blackout. Because your brain will drift, that's normal. This is your reset button. Now you have the full protocol, step by step, no guessing. So now the question is simple. Are you starting tonight or staying distracted? If you're in, comment hour 0 and come back after 72 hours and see what changed. Because the blackout starts the moment you decide.